Hi, I'm Callum Wood and I'm the UK Sales Manager here at CitNOW. Welcome to this week's edition of How to CitNOW, where I'm going to talk to you about how to engage your customers using video. Engaging your customers online as quickly and effectively as possible is perhaps one of the most important things you can do in this digital world. We all know that in some cases you have only seconds to grab a customer's attention and even less time to show them all of what you have to offer. Having good quality and engaging assets online gives you the best chance possible to ensure the customer continues their journey with you, whether that's in the form of a dealership visit or an online transaction. What happens next, however, is perhaps even more critical. Responding to leads generated from your online presence quickly and accurately will increase conversion rates and customer satisfaction. This is where a personalised video can become even more powerful. One study, for example, shows that a salesperson is 100 times more likely to connect with a prospect when responding in under 5 minutes, compared with more than 1 hour. In addition, we know that 4 out of 5 people buy from the first person they come into contact with, demonstrating the first point of contact is crucial. A video bridges the digital to physical divide, whether that's a salesperson responding to an inquiry with a video of them stood in front of the very car that's been inquired on, or a technician walking underneath the customer's own car. The personal connection that is built creates undoubted trust and transparency within any process and ensures the emotional engagement is there from the very start. Making the video itself engaging is just as important. So here's some of our top tips to make sure your video is as impactful as possible. Number 1, start and finish the video with your face on camera. This is the simplest but possibly the most powerful way to make your video personal. It shows that you are a real person in a real dealership talking about a real car and not simply the voice at the end of the phone. Number 2, make the car the star. Remember to get the car in the best possible condition before you begin the recording to show it off in all its glory. Number 3, talk about the points that mean the most to the customer. If doing a sales video, highlight the features that you know they are looking for in that vehicle during the qualification stage. And in a workshop video, highlight the key items that need attention. It's important to avoid feature dumping. Number 4, finish with a call to action. Letting the customer know when you or a colleague will be in touch following the video again builds the personal connection even further. And finally, number 5, smile. It sounds simple, but it's easy to forget to do. This really helps put the customer at ease and shows that you're human. Even when your face is not on camera, smiling will make what you're saying come across in an even more positive and engaging way. So there are our top tips on how to create the most engaging videos possible, and more importantly, why we believe CitNOW can make your online and customer communication as engaging as possible. Thank you for watching this How to CitNOW video. We publish new videos every Tuesday on helpful topics, and to get notifications for new videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon.